Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends, my family, my colleagues, and my viewers. Peace be upon all of you. Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 6th of September 2020. So, my leave has ended and I have to go back on duty. I have to report duty. I have to return to the station. So I just completed my packing. As you can see, this is my laptop bag. The laptop is busy. So it's working. I have put my hiking adventure to be uploaded on the YouTube, so I will wait for this till my breakfast. Then I will shut it down and will move to the airport. So here is my backpack and another portion of mine. So although my mother's health is not so good, I had visited her just 2 days before. Her physician is recommending an operation. So with a heavy heart, I'm waiting for my duty, whatever it comes first. So I request you all to please pray for her. Please pray for her recovery. So I will be missing my family. I will be missing my peace home. So now I'm going for my breakfast. I will be back when I move towards the airport. My flight is due at 1100 hours on Quetta Airport, Islamabad. From Islamabad, I will move further to Mangla. So keep in touch with me. Dear viewers, I'm back now. I'm going to show you something. This is my Lamborghini Aventador in dismantled condition. I will be taking this along with myself to the station, Mangla. It is, the wheels are being dismantled. I have packed this bicycle, so I will be boarding this with myself on Serene here. So keep in touch with me. I will be missing my home sweet home. Dear viewers, dear friends, I'm back. So I'm now on this scary dabba with my sweet friend Mr. Sajjad Hussain. He will be taking me to the airport. So behind us here lies my luggage, my dismantled bicycle, and my shoulder bag. Yeah, I got it. So wish me luck. I am living this beautiful Quetta city with heavy heart. I love my city. So Mr. Sajjad Hussain, good morning to you. You better. दाजगी थोड़ा बघेला जरूर लाजिम नहीं है Good morning. Diga chiya lawan. Tur schaub ki bidar ka duma. Ana? Yak suba da ki chiz muga. Yak na. Yak suba da ki chiz muga suba sar der musha. Store bekar to mashallah driver hai ko the secretariat. How do you say you are bekar? Ko gayak badar nahi hai sakta. Ay gayak badar nahi zina musha. Maaf tani pasal kana. Ko it is now to be exact 10:15 a.m. 10:15 hours. So my flight is due on 10:50. Right now it is 10:15 and my flight is due on 10:50 hours, almost 1100 hours, 11 p.m. So we are off to the airport. Now all depends on the expertise of my this friend, my Sajjad Hussain. So right now, goodbye. So dear friends, this road is called the Major Nadir Ali Road, okay? Yeah, the Major Nadir Ali Road. This road leads to the area where State Bank, Habib Bank, IG office, these all are situated. You know, for your information, this is the DG NAB Bluestan office, right where I'm pointing. So this is the NAB office, National Accountability Bureau, and this road leads to the IG office, the Musa check post of Quetta Cantonment. For your information, Musa check post has been named after General Musa, the great General Musa Khan Hazara. So this is the check post. This is the check post of paramilitary force, the FC, right at the entrance of this Major Nadir Ali Road. This is the Melag Hall. So now keep in mind that I'm giving you the tour of the Quetta city. This whole area is the police lines. So at the end of this police line, there is a IG office, Inspector General of Police. This is the global center, and most importantly, my very own, my alma mater, my college, Tamino Public College. I love this college so much. I have studied my intermediate from this college. I love this college. So why are you laughing? But I'm laughing. I'm so much excited. This is the Inspector General Police office, the IG office. Just see the walls of this office. So what is this? I think this. Yeah, I know this. This, of course, this certainly recruitment test, I guess, for some post. So I forgot to tell you, this is the State Bank of Pakistan, Bluestan chapter. This is the HBL, the main office of HBL, the main branch of Habib Bank Limited. So this is the Air Force recruitment center, and right in front of me is the Gold City shopping mall. This is recently built. So Yeah. And right in front of me is the Muhammad Ali Jinnah Road, MA Jinnah Road. This is the commercial hub of Quetta City. Now we are moving towards the Serena Hotel. Yeah, this is another mall to be built, I think. Yeah. This one is the Iranian consulate. Iranian consulate. And this one is the Serena Hotel. Serena Hotel. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot it. And most importantly, this is the judiciary, the Supreme Judiciary of Balochistan. That is the High Court of Balochistan. And right in front of the High Court, this chowk is called the Unity, Faith and Discipline, the principles of our founding father, Qaida Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This is the road where the governor house. This is the parliament. This is the Balochistan Assembly. And this is the army recruitment center. So moving forward. And this is the Navy, Pakistan Navy recruitment center. So moving forward. You know, if you study history, my father-in-law told me yesterday that if you study history, you will get to know that this area was very first populated in the eras of Khan of Kalad. These were the areas that were first populated in Quetta City. Now, so dear friends, I'm live again. This is the checkpost of Quetta Kent, the Askari Park checkpost. This is, I think, another mall to be built in future. This is a mega mall, BA Mall. This is the DHA, Defense Housing Authority. It has just been started. So this is the main airport road that leads to the airport. Right on the left side of me, this is the Chaman housing scheme. Here we are about to reach the main entrance of Quetta International Airport a few minutes later. So keep in touch with me. Here we go. We have just reached the main entrance and the checkpost of Quetta International Airport. This is the checkpost of the main entrance of Quetta Airport. Here we go. This is the Quetta International Airport. So called International Airport. Out. Charlie jamu gona. On Charlie tamam se boldi.
Hayır ama geçti işte o.
Ek Arab de. Asad de. Ho. So we have reached the Quetta International Airport, and I'm about to load my luggage on this trolley. So keep in touch with me. Assalamualaikum. I've just reached the counter of the Syrian airline. I am insisting them to please make a reservation ticket for me. They are not making me a ticket. You know, I was stuck in a VVIP protocol movement. I am persistently insisting them, requesting them to please board me the plane. To please board me the plane. They are not boarding me the plane. So I'm again and again telling you that I was stuck in a VVIP movement. Both of these are the witnesses. I've requested them to please board me the plane. They are not willing me to board the plane. Although I had 15 minutes, but they didn't allow me to board the plane. So I request the competent authority of the Syrian airline that I'm so much disappointed by their service. They don't know how to deal with the customer. They are ultimate non-professional, and they don't know how to deal with the customer, how to entertain their request. Hello guys, I was stuck in the VVIP movement later in the day, earlier in the day. When I reached the airport, it was exactly at 10:35 a.m. on the counter. So I requested them to please allow me to board the plane, but they refused. I requested them that I have to report on duty on Monday, but still they refused. They didn't allow me to board the plane. I do understand their compulsion too. So the two officials of Syrian airline misbehaved with me, maltreated me. So I am so much disappointed. I am so much disappointed from the Syrian in general, because it is the responsibility of Syrian airline to please to train their officials to how to deal with the passengers. So today I am so much disappointed by the attitude of those two officials of Syrian airline. Now I'm on my way back to my home. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will be boarding the plane. So I met the GM, the area manager of the Syrian airline at Quetta International Airport. I complained to him. I complained to him of the attitude of those two officials with me. So he assured me that he will take action against them. And after the meeting with the area manager of the Syrian airline at Quetta Airport, now I am on my way back to home. So this was a mishap that was occurred with me today. I didn't board the plane. I was not able to board the plane, so I couldn't report to my officer, to my boss on Monday. So I will request him accordingly. I will tell him accordingly of the situation that I was faced. So with this sharing of views of mine, I want to wind up my conversation. So take care, all of you.